What's up, YouTubers? I am driving a CFmoto Zforce, and I've always hated that the signal lights are not on the steering wheel like a car. They're on the dashboard, a little toggle switch. So I bought one of these on Amazon. It's I believe they call it like a hot rod generic signal light switch. Anyway, this mounts to the side of the steering wheel, and you get your signal light and your hazard lights. So I've decided to move the signal light switch from my Zforce, and I'm going to mount this signal lever on the side of the steering wheel. And the wiring turned out to be super easy. Took me a little bit to figure it out, but there's a whole bunch of wires on this. You don't need any of them except for the black, green, and orange. And when you take the signal light switch out, I just clipped off the connector from the signal light switch. And again, there's 5 wires in this, but you only need 3. So the middle gray one here is the common, which is going to go to the black on the switch, and then the orange goes to the orange over here, and the green goes to this blue one. And that's it. Other than that, it just needs to mount on the side of the steering wheel. When you're mounting this on the side of the steering wheel, I'm putting mine right there, but it comes with this clamp that needs to go around this wheel, and the hydraulic shock there for the tilt steering wheel adjustment is in the way. So I'm gonna just drill a couple little holes here until it's enough on each side to get the clamp through, and I'm confident it'll still hold enough that it won't break or anything. And if it does, I'll just fix it somehow. So I just finished drilling the holes through. I just used an 1/8 inch drill bit and just drilled 3 beside each other, and then kind of bored them out. And I just did it on both sides right there, and then as you can see, I got the clamp through there no problem. And now I'm going to mount the signal switch to the steering column, and we'll be good to go. So we got the signal switch mounted to the steering column, and as you can see on the dash, it's working. Now you pull the red lever out, it gives you your 4 ways, and then to get it off, you just kind of click it up and down. So much better upgrade than having to reach over, not that it's a big deal, but having to reach over to the dash. It's just, you're used to it when you're driving to just turn your signal light on. So for me, this is a much better option. Hope this helps.